Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Alpha 100 accessories is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious dog tracker. But with so many options out there, from protective cases to extended antennas, how do you choose the right ones? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Garmin Alpha 100 accessories, exploring the must-haves, the nice-to-haves, and everything in between to help you get the most out of your tracking system. Number 5. Lamshaw Screen Protector for Garmin Alpha 100, 3-pack. Keep your Garmin Alpha 100 screen pristine with this high-definition screen protector. It offers ultra-clear visibility, ensuring you can easily see the display in any condition. This protector maintains the original screen brightness and clarity. This Lamshaw screen protector provides superior protection against scratches, dust, and daily wear and tear. It's designed to safeguard your device's screen from damage, extending its lifespan. You can confidently use your device knowing it's well protected. The screen protector is easy to install with its bubble-free adhesive. It adheres smoothly to your Garmin Alpha 100 screen without leaving any residue. The installation process is quick and straightforward. The ultra-thin design of this protector maintains the touch sensitivity of your device. It doesn't interfere with the screen's responsiveness. You'll barely notice it's there while enjoying full functionality. This package includes 3 screen protectors, providing excellent value and ensuring you have replacements available. If one gets damaged, you have backups ready to go. It's a cost-effective way to protect your investment. What we like. This screen protector offers crystal-clear visibility. It's also designed to resist scratches, keeping your screen pristine. If you are looking to protect your Garmin Alpha 100's display from daily wear and tear, this is a must-have. What people say. The Garmin Alpha 100 is a great product. The product works as advertised. The design is user-friendly. Number 4. Eifagur Extended Range Antenna for Garmin GPS. This extended range antenna is designed to enhance the tracking capabilities of your Garmin Alpha or Astro GPS devices. It significantly increases the tracking range, allowing you to keep tabs on your hunting dog even in areas with heavy cover. Featuring a 3 dB gain and an omnidirectional design, this antenna ensures a strong and consistent signal. Its design allows it to receive signals from all directions, improving the overall tracking performance. Made with flexible materials, this antenna is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It is also designed to resist rain and rust, ensuring its longevity and reliability in various weather conditions. With an SMA male connector, this antenna is easy to install on your compatible Garmin GPS device. It provides a secure and reliable connection, ensuring optimal performance. This antenna is compatible with a range of Garmin GPS devices, including Alpha 100, 200, 200i, Astro 220, 320, and 430. It is the perfect upgrade to improve the tracking range of your device. With over 10 years of experience, each antenna undergoes rigorous testing before shipment. This ensures that every customer receives a high-quality, defect-free product, guaranteeing a perfect shopping experience. What we like. This antenna significantly boosts your tracking range. Its flexible design ensures it can withstand bending without breaking. If you frequently track dogs in heavily wooded areas or challenging terrains, this antenna will greatly enhance your signal strength and reliability. What people say. The Garmin Alpha 100 is a great product. The product works as advertised. The design is user-friendly. Number 3. KWMOBILE Silicone Case for Garmin Alpha 300-200. This silicone case is designed specifically for your Garmin Alpha 300 or 200. It provides excellent protection against everyday wear and tear, keeping it safe from scratches and drops. The flexible silicone material not only protects your device but also improves your grip. It makes the device easier to hold, especially when you're out in the field. This case is a perfect fit for your device, with precise cutouts for all buttons and ports. You'll have full access to all the features without removing the case. This soft cover is designed to protect your mobile navigation system from the elements. It helps safeguard it while you're exploring the outdoors. The case is designed to frame the touchscreen display, ensuring full functionality. You can easily view the screen and navigate without any obstruction. What we like. This silicone case improves the grip of your device. It protects against dirt, scratches, and accidental drops. If you are prone to dropping your device or want extra protection during outdoor activities, this case is a great choice. What people say. The Garmin Alpha 100 is a great product. The product works as advertised. It is a great product for tracking dogs. Number 2. Garmin Replacement Antenna. This antenna comes in a package with a length of 22.098 centimeters. It's designed to be compact for easy storage and shipping. The package height is a mere 0.762 centimeters. This slim profile helps minimize the overall size during transit. With a width of 11.938 centimeters, the package is designed to be efficiently sized. This ensures it fits well within standard shipping dimensions. The total weight of the package is just 0.2 pounds. This lightweight design helps to keep shipping costs down. This replacement antenna is designed for Garmin devices. It's a reliable solution to ensure the device functions correctly. What we like. This is a replacement antenna. It is a compact and durable solution. If your original antenna is damaged or you need a spare, this is a reliable option to ensure you maintain a strong signal. What people say. The Garmin Alpha 100 is a great product for tracking dogs. The device is easy to use and has a long battery life. The GPS tracking is accurate and reliable. Number 1. KWMOBILE case for Garmin Alpha 200i 300i. This is a protective silicone case, designed specifically for your Garmin Alpha. It's the perfect way to keep it safe from everyday wear and tear. The flexible silicone material not only protects your device, but also improves your grip. This makes it easier to handle, especially when you're on the go. This case is designed for a perfect fit, with precise cutouts for all buttons and ports. It guards against dirt, scratches, and accidental drops. The soft cover is robust enough to protect your navigation system from the elements. It's ideal for use while you're exploring the great outdoors. The case frames the touchscreen display, ensuring full functionality. You can easily access all the features of your device without any obstruction. What we like. This silicone case improves the grip of your device. It protects against dirt, scratches, and accidental drops. If you are prone to dropping your device or want extra protection during outdoor activities, this case is a great choice. What people say. Protects my investment in my Garmin 200i. Bought it to protect my Garmin Alpha 200i, fits perfect, all the buttons work with no issues. Looks good, great high-vis orange in case it falls off my vest to help locate it. Fit and quality as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.